Welcome to visit Chill English Flow channel for learning English conversation. Jack and Soph here. Thank you.
Welcome to Chill English Flow. If you want to learn English in a relaxed and natural way, you're in the right place. My goal is to help you improve your English.
90 essential English phrases for business meetings.
Master your next professional conversation.
Hello and welcome back to Chill English Flow. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for anyone in the professional world: business meetings.
That's right. Meetings can be intimidating, especially in English. But today, we're going to give you over 90 key phrases that will help you participate with confidence.
We'll structure this lesson like a real meeting. Jake will be the meeting leader, and I'll be a team member. We'll show you phrases for every stage.
Let's imagine we're starting a meeting about a new marketing project. Ready to practice?
Absolutely. And for everyone watching, if you find this helpful, please subscribe. It really supports our channel.
The meeting simulation begins.
Okay, let's begin. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for coming.
Good morning.
Since everyone is here, let's get started.
This is a great phrase to officially begin the meeting. The main purpose of this meeting is to brainstorm ideas for our new product launch.
Another way to say this is, our main goal today is, or I've called this meeting to...
Exactly. Now, for the agenda. First, we'll discuss the target audience. Second, we'll brainstorm campaign ideas. Finally, we'll assign some action items.
You could also say, here's what's on the agenda today.
Let's start with the first item. I'd like to begin by looking at the customer data.
Let me walk you through the key findings. As you can see here, our primary demographic is young professionals.
What are your thoughts on that? Sophia, I'd like to hear from you.
In my opinion, this data is very clear. From my perspective, we should focus our efforts on social media platforms.
Could you elaborate on that? What platforms are you thinking of?
To be more specific, platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn seem most effective for this demographic.
That's a great point. I completely agree with you. The data supports that.
When you agree, you can also say, you're absolutely right. Exactly. Or, I feel the same way.
Now, what if someone disagrees? It's important to be polite. For example, what if I said we should focus on TV ads?
I might say, I see your point, but I think social media is more cost-effective. Or, I have a slightly different take on this.
Those are perfect ways to disagree respectfully. Another one is, I'm not sure I agree with that.
Let's say I don't understand something. I could ask, could you clarify what you mean by viral potential?
Or, I'm not sure I follow. It's always okay to ask for clarification.
Let's move to the next point. How would you transition, Jake?
I'd say, okay, let's move on to the next item on the agenda, which is brainstorming.
You could also say, if nobody has anything else to add, let's move on.
I'd like to open it up for ideas. Does anyone have any initial thoughts?
Perhaps we could consider a partnership with an influencer.
That's a good suggestion. What does everyone else think?
What if I wanted to add to that idea? I could say, could I just jump in here for a moment?
That's a great way to interrupt politely. Another is, if I could just add something.
Let's say the conversation is going off topic. What would the leader say?
I might say, that's an interesting point, but let's stay on topic for now. Or, let's get back on track. This helps keep the meeting productive and on schedule.
We're running short on time, so let's wrap up the brainstorming.
Okay, the meeting is ending. How do we summarize what was discussed?
I would say, so, to recap, we've decided to focus on social media and explore an influencer campaign.
Other great summary phrases are, in summary, or let me quickly go over the main points.
Now, let's talk about the next steps. Who is the point person for researching influencers?
I can take the lead on that. I'll send an email out by the end of the day.
Great. We need a draft of the proposal by next Friday. Is that timeline feasible?
Yes, that sounds achievable.
Okay, I think we've covered everything. Are there any other questions before we finish?
No, I think we're all on the same page. A great ADM meaning we all understand and agree.
Excellent. Then let's wrap this up. Thank you all for your time and valuable input.
This simulation covered phrases for opening, discussing, agreeing, disagreeing, clarifying, and closing a meeting.
Practice these phrases and you'll be ready for your next business meeting. Let us know in the comments which phrase you found most useful.